C5 quick little install. I already installed it, but it is very simple to do. It gives you ability to turn your fans on whenever. Not that expensive, $130 after shipping and whatnot, but it will give you a switch on the inside. There's two different options. So there's this Coolit V2, and then there's a V3, depending on I guess what year or what way this relay is. So this is pointing towards the battery. The V3 has a notch over here or there pointing away, and that'll just tell you which one to buy. So the two kits, there's one that's wireless, which is what I have. It just replaces one of the relays, fuse, and then they have the box here, and they provide the sticky stuff to stick it wherever you want. And then there is ground wire, which you just ground it right down there, and I have it ran under the coolant and just through and up, and you do have to cut a notch out of it so it sits nice and flush. And that is about it. It is very simple. I'll link it in the description, but whenever you're tracking the car, canyon runs or whatnot, it always gets hot, especially if it's in town and you're just going through a drive-through. It is very convenient to have that little ability to turn your fans on whenever, because I know these cars, well, mine at least, doesn't turn on till it's at like 230, which is just stupid high, and then it just makes everything else hot, and then you can't get all the power you're wanting. And then the wireless remote, it's just on off, stick it straight to wherever you want again, I guess. And it's pretty loud, so you should be able to hear it when it's on. But that is the quick little quote-unquote install.